Hey, it's Luke here at Good Guys Garage. Just playing with my Cougar. Installing some of the Summit Technology gizmos and gadgets. I'm going to run you through it real quick. This is not fully wired in yet, but we're just making sure things work before I tidy it all up and make sure it's all loom taped and not going to rub and blow fuses and shit. So first on the list is the Venom that controls the indicators and hazard lights. That's quite a nice bit of kit. Easily wired. You've just got one power that comes up to here, one earth that comes up to here, then you've got left indicator output, right indicator output, left indicator in, right indicator in, and a hazard lights switch. The hazard lights are run from the Talon, and the steering wheel controls are from the Raptor. I like the Raptor. I like the Raptor a lot. I like that Venom as well. That's a lovely bit of kit. Ties it all in nicely. So as you see, I press the button and it flashes 3 times. Press and hold, and it will maintain. But what I really like is when you press the right indicator, it cancels the left, and vice versa the other way. Make the right indicator go. Press the left and it cancels the right. I've made the mistake of right indicator onto a roundabout. As you indicate left to come off, it turns out you've actually got your hazard lights on. I've also got the Hawk as well, which is the little display that'll be going in because I'm bringing off the Racetech dash. So this is going to go in. Quite a nice little bit of kit there. I've got all of Summit stuff, and bearing in mind I've had 0 discount, I think it's about time I got, especially for this shout out. But it's quite easy to install. I like the ergonomics of it. I like the feel of the buttons. It's very well put together. The only pain in the bum thing is I wish they would have it on a dip switch so I could output an earth, or rather input an earth, because a lot of modern cars everything's switched via earth as opposed to giving out a live. It just stops you having 10 million relays everywhere. Wish me luck with these wires.